Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and isolating the device so you don't cause shorts. Once done, remove covers and locate the sensor housing. This gives you access to the optics. Make sure to document screw locations and take photos as you go, because reassembly depends on orientation. Next, use compressed air to clear loose dust and a plastic spudger to gently lift the PCB or shield away from the sensor. This first step prevents accidental damage and reveals what needs deeper attention. You now inspect the optical window and surrounding flex cable. The why is simple: contaminants or misalignment cause tracking errors. If you see grime, dab a microfiber swab in 90% plus isopropyl and clean in straight strokes. Avoid solvents on plastics. Check the sensor's mounting and ribbon connector, receding or tightening clips as needed. Once clean, briefly power and test to verify responsiveness, because iterative testing narrows down whether the issue was debris, loose contact, or deeper electronics. To finish, replace any cracked window or the sensor module itself if cleaning didn't help. Components are cheap compared to repeated troubleshooting. Reassemble in reverse order, making sure cables follow original paths and screws are snug but not over-torqued. Power up and run a 10-15-minute tracking test across multiple surfaces to confirm stability. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: swap in a known good cable or module to isolate whether failure is the sensor or the mainboard connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.